What if I told you that this 900-year-old temple ceiling can be taken apart like a giant machine? No cement, no glue, just stone. And at the center is a hidden stone bolt that still unscrews today. Take a close look at this carving. This is Lord Narasimha, the half-man, half-lion form of Vishnu. At first, it looks like a tiny decoration. But look closer. Narasimha is sitting with a demon on his lap. In his hands, he is tearing open the demon's stomach. What looks like a rope is actually the demon's intestine. Every detail tells a story. Notice how the demon is trapped. One leg blocks his movement. A spear presses against his helmet. Nothing here is random. According to ancient Hindu texts, this demon had a special protection. He could not be killed by a man, an animal, or a weapon. So Narasimha appeared as neither man nor animal and defeated him using his claws. Now here is the unbelievable part. This entire carving is only about 3 to 4 inches wide. Imagine carving all these tiny details into such a small space, more than 900 years ago. But the real secret was hidden behind it. For centuries, everyone believed this ceiling was carved from a single stone block. Then, during restoration work, something unexpected happened. The centerpiece moved. Workers discovered that it could actually rotate, just like a modern bolt. When they carefully turned it, the entire centerpiece came out. And that changed everything. Because hidden inside was an engineering system nobody expected. The ceiling was not one stone. It was made from 48 separate stone pieces. 48. Each piece was cut in a different shape and locked perfectly with the others. No cement, no mortar, nothing holding them together except precision. The center stone acted like a master lock, holding the entire structure in place. Think about that. Even today, fitting together a few machine parts requires accuracy. But these builders created a ceiling of 48 interlocking stone pieces, hanging above people's heads, nearly 1,000 years ago.